Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arn Palancia and you're watching RTV na. Do a David, yeah. Good evening guys. Ang ating i-unbox ngayon ay actually hindi siya unboxing. Ang ating i-unwrap ay ang kubo. Yes, ang Love Wins. Guys, look at that. It's so cutie. Diba? Kasi nga ngayon, since it's Pride Month, o diba, timing na timing talaga. So, ang ating i-unbox ay Kubo Love Wins. It's so cute talaga kasi tingnan mo naman, kitang-kita na agad. Ang representation, no need to explain. It is from within. Charot! Okay, so wag na nating patagalin. Buksan na natin tong Kubo Special Edition na Love Wins. Sana maipanalo natin ang lahat ng pagmamahal na ating inaasam. Because love is love regardless of age, gender, color, social status, beliefs, religion, diba? Love is universal. Kaya naman love wins. I'm so happy talaga with this. Pero hindi ako happy kasi hindi ko na naman siya mabuksan. Ito naman po ang ating pag-struggle. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ayan, finally. Ito na siya. Oh, ito na, lalabas na siya. Tara! So cute. Parang siyang natutulog. Look at that. O diba? May spectrum of colors. Nakalagay dito, Love Wins. Tapos may heart siya dito na black. And then, yung color niya diba? Yung pride talaga na colors. Yung rainbow. It's red. Not sure kung may red yan. Yeah, parang red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The best. The best IP and art design na nagawa for Kubo ng Pop Mart. Charot! Yan lang. So cute. Okay, thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa ating unboxing tonight. This has been Arn Palencia for Arn TV na keep shining and always stay amazing. Aww, cute talaga ng Kubo Love Wins. Ayan. Bye-bye.